Hey guys, welcome back. I just came back from town. I went in town to get some parts. So I've got a fuel filter, an air filter, and a small valve for my heater core. Right now, this valve is leaking when I try to shut it off. So we will change it right now. I bought some Seafoam spray. You know about that product. I don't I don't really think it will help. I don't really trust those. But we'll see. We'll see. And I bought some oil because that 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 motor use some oils. Okay, let's go. Oh yes. Yeah. Let me bring you closer. Let me bring you closer, guys. Just over here. I will start with my air filter. It's not too bad actually. I don't, well, it is. It is kind of dirty. Yeah. Genuine motor master. What do you like to use when you're changing your filters? What brand do you use? I usually go by the price. I look for not the cheapest, but not the most expensive one. And guys, be sure when you're changing your air filter, especially, that your air box is pretty tight. All right, that's good. Okay, so the first clip is right here. Let me put the lights there. All right, are you still with me? First, I need to take off this plastic retainer. Come on. There it goes. Wow. That made a small mess. All right.
Here you go. Yeah, so I definitely didn't get the pressure of the system, but hey, we survived. That filter was put on at 82,000 kilometers, and we are now at 98,000. Let's put this back. Like so. Click. Nice. All right. Whew. We made it. So now I will inspect the old one. Okay, so I did inspect the fuel coming out of it, and it's pretty clean. So that's telling me that the fuel tank is okay. Well, it's definitely not okay. I mean, it's a 30-year-old truck, but it's not too bad. The old one that I changed before that last fall was pretty bad. It was like all dirty inside. Since the new filter is put on, we will put the relay back up, and we will start the truck to see if there's any fuel leaking. All right, that's on. Here we go. You just have to put it on and I'll go under it to see if there's any leaks. Especially on that side of it. No, that seemed fine. Here, that seemed fine, and that seems okay. So I will start the truck. Yep, it starts, but it's rough, huh? Don't you think? I think I have a problem with my idle valve. I need to change it. I tried to clean it, but as you can heard, it doesn't help. It's really bad when I want to start back the engine when it's still hot. Yeah, I have some trouble with that. So yeah, maybe for our next video. Yeah, so the engine needs to be warm enough to use that product. So since it's pretty hot right now, I will install that. Who hasn't, huh? You need to use that small straw and get it in there, like so. Put it inside of the intake, but not too far away. So you don't want it to interfere with your butterfly valve in there. So just a little bit out, yeah, like so. Okay, like this. And we'll close that like this. Let me bring the truck outside. Starting to smoke a lot. Must be cleaning, huh? What do you think? Okay, it's been 10 minutes or so. Let's go for a ride. What do you think about my truck? It's pretty rough, huh? My plan is to use that truck as my daily driver for at least the next 3 months, maybe. So I will try my best to keep it in shape, not in good shape, but in shape. I hope that you will enjoy the videos that I will put up on my channel. I was thinking that it was a good subject for you guys to follow me around as I try to do my best. I'm no Chris Fix, you know. I just learned mechanics through my granddad, my dad, and YouTube. So I'm just having fun, to be honest. here we are. Awesome. Yeah, no wonder I use oil. Alright guys, so this is it for today, I think. If you don't mind, I think we will work on that valve on the next video.